It's small, it's always working, and it's a huge part of what makes us human. I'm talking about the tongue. For centuries, people had a pretty basic understanding of the tongue. They knew it helped them talk and eat. Simple, right? But what they didn't realize was the depth of its importance, the intricate dance of biology and neurology that makes the tongue so amazing. The rich sweetness of chocolate, the zesty tempts of a lemon, the comforting saltiness of a warm pretzel. Each taste bud contains dozens of taste receptor cells. When you eat, molecules from the food dissolve in your saliva and bind to these receptors. This triggers a signal that travels along nerve pathways straight to your brain. It is in the brain where these signals are interpreted into the distinct flavors we recognize. It's an incredible biological process that turns a simple meal into a symphony of flavors. But the tongue's role doesn't stop at taste. It can move in countless ways, touching different parts of the mouth, like the teeth and the palate, to shape the sounds that become language. We'd be left with indistinct mumbles. It's the unsung hero of every conversation you've ever had. And let's not forget its vital role in the simple, yet critical, act of swallowing. But what happens when this marvel runs into trouble? This is where technology steps in, becoming the guardian of this precious gift. In the past, diagnosing problems with the tongue was challenging. A doctor could look, but they couldn't see the full picture. Today, medical technology has given us supervision. Advanced imaging tools like MRI and CT scanners allow doctors to see the tongue as structure in stunning detail. They can detect tumors, identify nerve damage, and diagnose conditions with incredible accuracy, often at the earliest stages when treatment is most effective. This early detection is a game changer, saving lives and preserving function. Imagine someone suddenly struggling to speak, their words slurring, or losing their sense of taste. It can be a frightening and isolating experience, but technology offers hope. For patients recovering from a stroke, surgery, or injury, modern speech therapy, often aided by specialized software and biofeedback devices, can work wonders. These tools provide real-time feedback, helping patients retrain the muscles of their tongue and mouth to form sounds correctly. They can see their progress, practice exercises tailored to their needs, and gradually reclaim their ability to communicate with loved ones. Assistive technologies, like speech-generating devices, are nothing short of miraculous. Some of these devices can be controlled with eye movements or even brain waves. They can analyze a person's thoughts and translate them into spoken words, allowing individuals to express themselves, share their ideas, and stay connected to the world. The partnership between science and technology also extends to our daily lives, teaching us how to be better stewards of our health. Science has shown that cleaning our tongue is crucial for removing bacteria that cause bad breath and can contribute to other health issues. This simple piece of knowledge, amplified by the availability of tools like tongue scrapers, empowers us to take better care of this vital organ every single day. Think about it. From the microscopic taste receptors sending signals to our brain, to the macroscopic view provided by an MRI scanner, our understanding and ability to care for the tongue has been completely transformed. What was once a potential life-altering problem can now be managed, treated, and often overcome with the help of technology. For so long, we didn't fully grasp its value, but through the lens of science, we see its intricate design. Through the tools of technology, we learn how to protect it, heal it, and even restore it when it's compromised. This journey of discovery reminds us of a greater message. Science and technology are not just about creating cool gadgets or discovering far-off planets.